the advisory of Ma'am Sheila C. Laminyan. Next, we have the award is from Grade 7 Integrity. Under the advisory of Ma'am Orden, Ma'am Rayalyn Orden. Next, we have the award is from Grade 8 Daisy. Under the advisory of my partner, Ma'am Bessie Soriano. And of course, to present, the award is from my advisory, Grade 8 Orchids. After the Grade 8 Days Orchids, we have the awardees from Grade 8 Mahogany under the from Grade 9 Mahogany under the advisory of Ma'am Irene Joy Orbis Tondo.